Everything.
Go for some everything.
You have a hot water.
I don't know, I just enjoy this aesthetic of conveyor belt dining.
So we were looking moments ago. We were looking for a place to eat.
Yes.
Came across this conveyor belt sushi.
Yes.
I've only been to one of these once before in my life,
Convenient.
and it's very exciting to me.
It is.
So here we are, and
I heard him mention ramen, which I could go for.
Bob may or may not partake, but he might get some ramen. Or
I might get some ramen.
It's crazy. I love it. You just grab a dish and you pop it down in the thing, and it charges you, and bing, bang, boom, sushi eating time.
Nothing says Mall America like Japanese cuisine. More after
I
this.
know what these things are. This is bad omen. Grabbing things. Right.
Again with the word omen.
So
Is that like your word of the day?
Maybe.
Heyo.
This tiger. Oh, it's hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
I might have to do it. Or not.
I need... I love that. It's alright. Oh, wait. Our waiter's leaving. Wait, come back.